Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shonraman Shohag with you. Now I am telling about difference between amplitude modulation and frequency modulation. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Amplitude and frequency modulation. AM or amplitude modulation and FM or frequency modulation are ways of broadcasting radio signals. Both transmit the information in the form of electromagnetic waves. Amplitude modulation. AM work by modulating the amplitude of the signal or carrier transmitted according to the information being sent, while the frequency remains constant. Frequency modulation. This differs from FM technology in which information is encoded by varying the frequency of the wave and the amplitude ID kept constant. In this video, I will go to show you difference between amplitude and frequency modulation. Amplitude modulation. AM involves the alternation of the amplitude of the carrier waves. FM involves changes in the frequency of the carrier's wave. AM frequency ranges from 535 to 17.5 kHz or up to 1200 beats per second. FM frequency ranges in a higher spectrum from 88 to 108 MHz or 1200 to 2400 beats per second. AM waves have a much larger range and can therefore be received even in hinterlands. This is the reason most news stations use AM over FM. FM waves have a small range in terms of the geographical regions they can cover. AM signals take up 30 kHz. FM signals take up 80 kHz of bandwidth for each signals. AM waves transmitter and receiver are simple, but synchronization is needed in case of SSB SAM carrier. FM waves transmitter and receiver are more complex and variation of modulating signal has to be the converter and detected from corresponding variation in frequencies. AM is more susceptible to noise because noise affect amplitude, which is where information is stored in an AM signal. FM less susceptible to noise because information in an FM signal is transmitted through varying the frequency and not the amplitude. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Share my video to your friend. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.